Welcome back to the channel. Today I picked this up on the side of the road for nothing. And it's got compression, gasoline. Oh man, it smells bad. If I could fix this up in 2 hours, change the oil, clean the carburetor, clean the tank, sharpen the blade, I could sell this for about $200. So let's see if we can do it. I'm just going to try to clean it up a little bit, make it look a little better before I start tearing it apart. Well, the oil's a little dark, but it's not too bad. I'll take this cover off. 1/4 inch socket. I'm going to clean this up too a little bit. We'll check for spark. Oh yeah. Yeah, pretty good spark there. I'm drain the gas and put some fresh stuff in there. I'm going to take the carburetor off, back off the exhaust. That's good. Now, what? Gotta take this off. I put a scribe line on the bolt to make sure I put it back in the same spot. It's a 1/2 wrench. Don't see too bad. Just the gasket's dirty. I'll blow compressed air in there and make sure it's clean, but that looks perfect. Well, this thing's plugged. That allows fuel go on the side and go through the jet and feeds the carburetor. So I'm going to put this in my ultrasonic cleaner and this O-ring also. A little bit of carb clean in there. This is full of carburetor cleaner. Put that in the water. Put the cover on. Put to 100 in about 30 minutes. Really well. I bought this on Amazon. I'll post the link in the description below because I want to buy one. I bought the small one. I should have bought it. Yeah, that cleaned it perfectly. It cleaned the gasket very well, and this is now free. This goes all the way through. So that's perfect. That's ready to go. This was ripped, so I'll have to make up another one. So I'm going to put this back together. And my scribe line's right here. So that goes on the other side of the carburetor. I'm going to put this. I check the gasket here and it's all clean. This is all nice and clean. This goes right in the hole. And this governor arm. Cut my ground and the exhaust. Now I'm going to put a little gas in there, make sure it comes out of the hose. Yep, it comes right there, no problem. So I'm gonna hook it back up. I'm gonna blow out this filter. It's a little dirty. Rotate it, snap it in. Two cranks, start right up. Perfect. So all I'm going to do is change the oil and sharpen the blade. A little heavy on this side here.
This 3/8 extension. Underneath there, catch the oil. Once you're done, 55 foot-pound of torque. That's perfect. Right up to the full line right there, so I'm going to start it up. This mower is not going to the right RPM, it's really low. So I'm going to bend this arm back here, nice and straight like it should. Right there should be straight to that, and that should bring it up 300 or 400 RPMs. Yeah, it's right up to the full line. It's perfect. I'll put this up for sale for about 200 bucks. Hopefully I can get 150 bucks out of it.